Yo, what's up, y'all? Oh man, hold on. How you gonna go to the stop a video? Who is that? Okay. Poulan chainsaw. We got a model P3314, 14-inch gas chainsaw. Okay. Gentleman asked me to fix it. I did notice. Well, I smelled gas, so my first thought was it had busted lines. Okay, you have 1, 2, 3 screws up the top, takes this off, and you have 4 screws on the side because you're going to take this side piece off also. I'm redoing this hip part because I lost the first part of my video, and you won't be able to see that part, so I'm just redoing this. Also, what you'll see in my video, because I forgot, choke is on. Hold up, I'd have to push that up, and choke works. Put that back on stop. But I forgot I forgot how the choke went. I figured it out and then put it back. Okay, so everything on it works fine. But like I said, I lost the beginning of my video, and this, so I'm gonna put this here as the start, and you'll see it as it is now. And then, like I said, I take this cover off here, take this cover off here, and then we start doing the lines for the carburetor, which is right here. Also, we changed out the primer bulb also. But you'll see all that in the video. Thank y'all. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Alright, y'all. So hopefully y'all can see in there here. This is going to be tight later. Down here. I got a little flashlight. Yeah, this will work. Okay, let me see if I can do this with one hand. And hold the camera with one hand. Okay, right here. Right there, that hole right there. That's one. That's the other one right here. That's coming from gas. The little reserve gas tank. Okay, so you have one. This going to the fuel. The carburetor. Which one is it? Right here. This one here. This other one in the front. Here. That goes to the primer bulb. And the one that's down here that's coming goes to the primer bulb. So this goes to the primer bulb comes out, goes to the carburetor comes out and goes here. Alright. And I was showing y'all that because you may not be able to see anything when I get to start messing with this thing. Put y'all on this side, y'all might be able to see something. I also went and got a kit for it. It has the primer bulb like that one, which is just, here was the older one. But you can see all of the lines just broke up. And here was the other line right here. It was all broke up. So first thing I gotta do is I gotta get. Well, I need to check to see if we got fuel in here, because that was the reason I thought that it was the fuel line, because I was smelling gas. But it also, you know, you see the wire for pulling them through. But I'm gonna have to open this up to see if I have petrol in here before I get started. Because if it is, I'm gonna have to pour it out. Because I'm gonna have to get off in here. Okay, very little. Wrong. Okay, this one is the one with the weight on it. And I'm going to change all the lines, so I'm going to have to put it in something. 1 second, y'all. Alright, now we can get some egg right. Because I'm going to have to put that through there. And now I also know which line is which. You know, which is return and which is suction. So this one is suction. And I'm going to be getting it out of there. You may need some needle nose. And you may not. You know, counting on if your stuff pull out easy. Yeah, it's basically counting on if your stuff pull out easy. Look at here. This was going bad too. It was barely in there. Just pulling it all the way out. So when I fish it through, so when I fish the line through, I got to go ahead and open this up now. But once you do one of these, it's not that hard. Especially, like I say, once you do it, you know, it's not bad. Plus, there's, you know, there are different tips you could learn. It makes it a whole lot easier as you do them. Okay. I usually like to go in through the small hole first, come out the big hole, then pull them through. What you see here, let me get this rub off of here. Because I want to show y'all something that's very important. Like I was saying, like tips that'll make it easier for you. Alright. You see this? See how that's cut? That is a very important thing. Because that's the easiest way to get your hook into it. Try to get kind of close to show y'all. See, this is the hook. And when you put it in just like so. And it's going to be like that. And that way when you pull it, this part here will be coming through the hole first. And you can use your needle nose to pull it. So when I cut this one, it's going to be an angle. And I'm going to kind of get me an idea of how long to cut it, which will be right about here somewhere. Alright, see how I got it cut? Okay, let's see if we can do this first one. Okay, come through here. Come around through the outside. Now, come on out through the outside. And that's what you want. Now you can put this on here. This is the part that I always find just a little bit difficult getting it in here. And the only reason I find it kind of difficult is because I stuck myself in the hand a few times. So hopefully y'all can see how that is. Maybe I ought to give y'all a little light, huh? Alright. See there? See how that is in there? Alright. Get back to work. Yeah. What you want to do, just slowly pull this through. I wasn't expecting it, but that'll work too. I didn't know this one had it like that. So that can work out for me, but I gotta push it back in there. Okay, I'm back. Well, y'all probably didn't even know I was gone. Okay, trying to get the other line now. Oh, here you go. Having a little trouble getting this one started. This really is the hardest part of it though, just getting it started. But you gotta be patient. So let me get this one through and I'll bring y'all back. Okay. Got the line on. This cover just sits on top of the carburetor. Got the primer bulb in. And you remember the primer bulb is just pushing it, the hoses under the two. And if say you don't get them on there right, because I didn't even look to check. All you do is just unpop it out, which it has the little tabs on the side here. And just flip them around. Now, the one thing I probably should have paid attention to is I forgot what it's all going to choke was it. But I'm going to go look at the video. These I might have to go look at the video. These I'm just going to put hand tight. That's start and stop. Yeah. That's start and stop. Auto working good. Only thing I ain't got on is a choke. Really, because the other stuff is just covers. But I'm going to have to look at the video and see. Because I don't remember. Yep, I do not remember, y'all. Also got to find some petrol. Okay, should be able to put that side on to test it. I left the screws in these, right? Yeah, those left inside. I was wondering because I only have 4 screws. Which one is it? Don't remember. So we gotta test this too. Yep, that one. Okay. All of these screws, I'm not gonna go. I'll probably stick them lined up all the way straight. What I was gonna say, I'm not gonna put them fully tight just in case I have to take this back apart. I really just wanted to hold it on here. But I just really wanted to hold it on here. So that I can pull it. Okay, yes. Feeling good. Like I said, I shouldn't need this top piece. That's just to cover this up top here. And the filter. I will put the filter on in a minute because it just snaps on. Yeah, they just snap on filter. So next step would be to pull and test it. Okay, let's see if we can get it started. Started with no choke. May have to be a little bit of adjustment on right here. Hopefully y'all can see those. But that's the government no tampering. I just happen to have a tool. Also, it's cold out. As y'all see, I have a jacket on. She started, which is all I wanted. Okay. I gotta look at the film to see where to put that doggone choke at. But this is a good one. I'm gonna call this good. Alright, that's how you do your lines. You have any questions? Hit your boy up and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share the videos. Thank you.